Hey everybody! It's Santa. No, just kidding, it's Ryan. I'm getting ready to give you the best overview of this here full-blown Santa Claus costume. Holy mackerel, this thing is legit. So it is the time. It is that time of year where you might just need the latest, greatest Saint Nick costume, and this just might be the one for you. So, let me highlight what all is included in this costume. This is some stuffing. It did not come with this. This is actually a pillow, full disclosure. But let me go ahead and tell. So you have a wig. This is a separate wig that's on top. I'm gonna set this down so you can hear me. It comes with this so you can let the kiddies know that you are coming. You have this lovely, lovely white beard and a mustache. Very nice, I must say myself. You do have the full-blown jacket here in a red velvety. Quite nice, I must say. It does come with the old white gloves to top it all off. This is a hood structure. I will say, side note, if you were wearing this out and going on a jog or something, moving around quickly, you probably would want to pin this because it does slide around, but other than that, it fits quite nicely. Also, you get these lovely spectacles that come with it. They fit around your ears nicely. This is clear glass, so, you know, just so you know. And the hood, just to kind of put things in full perspective here, this is a full-blown headpiece wig along with the old mustache. I will say also from a sizing standpoint, pretty much spot on. So when you look at the sizing chart, it's pretty much going to apply to you, especially if you're going to pack the belly full like I have here. The belt is an actual belt, and so it buckles. It has hooks to where it goes around you. You can get it bigger, you can get it smaller. You also have the pants, the old velvety red pants. It is a elastic band all the way around, and so it fits nice based on the sizing chart. Then you have these lovely boot covers. Notice I have tennis shoes underneath. They just fit on nicely. Again, based on the sizing chart, these fit spot on. You also get the sack. The sack is actually empty, but you can pack it full of toys. I have a pillow in here just to show some depth to it. Very nice embroidery right here. This is a legit strap, so it does cinch. And if you've got a lot of toys, oh man, you'll put some weight on this thing. You got a little handheld thing to walk around. So quite nice. And if it's during the winter, and you're worried about the temperature outside, it is kind of warm. Full disclosure, this company reached out to me and said, Ryan, can you please do one of your detailed reviews about our Santa Claus costume? Who am I to say no? But no way whatsoever will impact my review. As you know me, I like to keep it real. Hopefully that answers any questions you might have about it. So Saint Nick, the Santa Claus costume, this thing is on point, and we'll talk to you soon.